Hey Daniel, it's Randy again in North Carolina. I got the crate all finished up. Just wanted to go over it real quick with you. I've had a couple of customers, but there's everything. All your pedals, clutch slave and bolts and stuff are in here, and there's your shaft and your C-beam and the tranny and the cutout, and made a crate, and it's all good to go. Looks like the crate is 30 by 36. Okay, it'll weigh 600 pounds. All right, mainly because I had to make a crate out of it. But anyway, we're good to go. Give me a call or something. I'm not sure where. I will email you this evening. Okay. All right, so we can figure out what we're gonna do. Thank you.